Yeah. Just put the light so you can see something over there. Just find a piece of metal. Here. There you go. And then stick that in there. Squish it. Let it come out. You put in a cup.
Sorry.
Do it again.
How do I do so it won't leak everywhere?
If you don't squish on the thing, you will. You won't. Okay. And then fill up here.
You need to get that changed anyways.
Do it again.
Is it hot?
Sure. Okay. Put it back in there again.
Okay, that's it.
Is that it?
Yep.
Which coming champ?
Plus, everything needs to be changed anyways, so I think we
There's
do.
more. Come on.
That's it.
This way.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yep.
Okay. So how much oil did you take out? This much, right?
About a fourth of a cup.
Okay. Bring the cup with you.
Where's it, I would think?
Okay. Go get another cup.
From there? Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Where's
It's
the
right there. A bit. Good. I'll hold it. Pour it. Okay, hold on. Pour it a little more. Okay. Take out the funnel now. Just, you get
That's gone.
just a tad more. Okay. All right. Now take all that stuff out. Put it on the floor. That's fine. Put it on the floor. Now put that stick thingy. Close it. Okay. Open it again. And then see where the oil is at.
Fourth line.
No, you have to clean it. Take it out. Open it. Twist it. Top. Look it over here. Oil is good.
Yeah.
Oil is a little bit more.